Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from NCERT books. First, start by reading each chapter completely to understand the main ideas. Don't just skim, really absorb the information. As you go, highlight crucial points like definitions, formulas, and significant facts. This active engagement helps your brain process and remember the material more effectively. Finally, summarize what you've learned in your own words, creating brief, clear notes. After your initial read-through, tackle all the questions and exercises embedded within the chapter. This immediate application of knowledge reinforces your understanding. Don't skip this step. It's vital for solidifying concepts. Once you've attempted them, compare your answers with the provided solutions. This helps pinpoint where your understanding might be weak. Also, discussing challenging topics with classmates can offer new insights and clarify doubts, making complex ideas much clearer. Consistent revision is key to long-term retention. Make it a habit to revisit older chapters regularly, perhaps once every 3 days or so, to keep the information fresh in your mind. Tools like flashcards or mind maps are excellent for quick, efficient recall of facts and concepts. Furthermore, practice writing out answers to previous exam questions. Do this under timed conditions to improve both your speed and accuracy, preparing you for actual tests. To truly master the material, try connecting NCERT concepts with real-world examples. This makes learning more engaging and helps you see the practical application of what you're studying. Consistency is paramount. Aim for a regular study schedule, dedicating at least 2 hours daily. Remember, small, consistent efforts yield significant results over time. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to streamline your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.